Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 83 of Building the Batmobile from 1966. In this issue, we get the steering wheel. We're going to be starting building the steering wheel shaft and everything else after looking at Catwoman. She goes to college from February the 22nd of 1967. There we go. Julie Newman as Catwoman there. Tears are a woman's most effective weapon. It's one where the coffee is too strong for Batman or Robin. I don't know where they came up with these things. It's very, very strange. Batman Reborn, the new Batman and Robin in Batman and Robin. And Batman 08, Part 1, the first decade of the 21st century due to a close, death and rebirth were common themes. The resurrection of Ra's al Ghul. Cool. 2008 continues in issue 84. So yes, the car parts we've got our steering wheel, including the column and instrument panels that fit to the steering wheel. So we've got joysticks fit to it, the column go together, and we're going to end up with that, which I assume we're not doing anything with for a little while. So yeah, there we go. That's that. Let's clear it out of the way and let's get the steering wheel built. So this bit's fairly straightforward. We've got our steering wheel, which is quite nice and metal. Interestingly enough, it's only a 3/4 steering wheel, and the bottom half is not. That's obviously where he keeps his legs. So I'm assuming he can only turn it a little bit, otherwise he'll hit his legs. I don't know. We've got these paddles, which are fitted to the tops of the steering wheel. Are they different? They are, in fact, different. They're slightly... yes, they're a little bit shaped, I think. So they go in there like that. Yeah, I can't quite see. The problem with the black on black is that it's black, and it's on black, so I can't really see it very clearly. So let's bring in some more light and indeed some magnification and figure out what we're doing with this. Yeah, that's only goes in a little bit. Quite strange. Let's try that over the other side, see if that goes in there any better. Don't think it does. It's in, but not, I suppose it doesn't have to be, hard. It's not got to put up with any weight or movement or anything. They just go in there a bit like that. There we go. That's that. Then we've got to put this together. We've got a block that goes in there. And we need, what have we got? SM screws to go in either side of that. So like that's got 4-way connection, and it is square, so it doesn't matter which way round it goes. So I get one in a little bit on one side. The same on the other side. That's our universal sort of joint for when this gets attached down the line. That goes in the end there. Does have a keyed off point, so it'll only go one way round. And we need the other screw for that, the BM. Just goes in the center there. To hold that together. And that's in there because that's keyed in place. I can use the steering wheel to hold and screw that in fully. Back a bit to break off the paint in the thread. There we go, that's that. Actually a little bit tighter than that. I'm going to swap out to my slightly heavier screwdriver to get an extra turn in there. There we go, that's that. Then we need to attach the things to that. We've got chrome bit and a black bit. The instrument panel strip into the recess in the instrument panel. Gonna have to be the chrome bit, isn't it? No. That goes over that bit. Okay, that's the black bit that goes across the top. It does. Get that lined up in there. That's proving to be a little bit more challenging. Let's try the other side, if I don't drop it. Right, let me figure out how these are going to go together. And then we just need to pop the screen on the front there. And we'll see about attaching that everywhere else. There you go, that's that attached. The black one fits from the front, the silver one fits from the back. But that's all in there now, so we've got a little speedo sort of thing in there, and then that just fits in there with the two plugs coming out the back like that. So there we go, we've got a steering wheel with whatever buttons we've got extra ones up there, dial on there, and we're good to go. I'll put that aside for next time, or indeed another time in the future, but for now, another issue done. More Batmobile to come very, very soon. Thanks for watching, stay safe, bye bye for now.